welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Maria and I'm the girl behind the blog Sweet Life Housewife. I am late getting started opening my packages this month because we were away. We actually traveled to London prior to the ban and we had to do self-quarantine at our lake house for the first 2 weeks. So I'm just now opening my Fabfitfun and I'm really excited to be getting this one again. I missed it when I had canceled my subscription last time. So Fabfitfun is a really great box, comes out quarterly, and let's dive right in. So the first thing I'm excited about is it's Amber Seats necklace, and it's connected in one. It's really pretty. I think I'll definitely get a lot of use out of that one. Excuse my nails. This whole quarantine, my beauty routine is just craziness. I'm just letting my nails like kind of go back to natural and trying to keep them healthy, and when this is all over with, then I can go back to getting my nails attached again. Until then, they're just coming, as they come off, I'm trying not to peel them off, so when they come off, I had Après Gel X or something like that, and so as they get to the point where they come off, I'm just kind of painting them a different color. Anyway, this is something that I really can appreciate. I have been switching over to things that are more sustainable and eco-friendly. So these silicone straws are reusable and washable. You can put them in the dishwasher, and I've actually stocked my house, but you can always use more of this kind of stuff. Oops. Oh wow! So this has a brush that comes with it, right here. It's hard to see. And then this, I am just not sure what this is. I have to read this. Okay, so this is really cool. They're flexible, and this is actually a carrying case. So you just put them in, you fold it up, and you can put it in your purse so you can have your own eco-friendly straw in your bag. That's awesome. So I actually have been really looking forward to using this. This is Glow Wrinkle Treatment, and it's infrared light. It also has red light, amber light, and it operates by battery. It's a beauty treatment, and I've done different light therapies like in salon, and I've done like laser treatments and different things over the years, but this is something that you can use right at in your own home, and it's not very big. You can see it compared to my hand. So the key to these things is actually using them and on a regular basis to see if you're going to see any results or whatever. I have a couple of devices that are different in nature. One is a microdermabrasion, and the other, golly, I forgot what, the hair, like facial hair remover, and I actually put them somewhere. We travel back and forth between two houses, and I don't even know where they are at the moment. So I obviously haven't been using those, but I'll definitely take advantage of this new schedule that I have and try to put some beauty treatments on my schedule. This is called Fast Food. It's a leave-on conditioner for your hair. I have not heard anything about this yet, but they usually have really good products in these boxes, and I've actually found some of my favorite products that I use have come out of the box subscriptions that I get. So I'm looking forward to trying this. I'm trying to grow my hair. I've been taking hair vitamins every day, so this will be a nice complement to all that. And this one is Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polishing Peel. Peerless. And let's see here. It says Beauty Through Asian Wisdom. So it's pretty packaging. I like that. Cheerful. I have to give it a whirl and see what I think of it. I did already try this one, and this is the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, and I have some other deep sleep products that I've used the spray that goes on your pillow, and I really like it. It's a company called This Works, and these are kind of pricey to get, you know, individually. And so I probably wouldn't have tried this if it didn't come in the box, and I'll probably really like it because I know I like the other ones. I got the other This Works in a different box, and then I got a couple of little like travel bottles when I was at a hotel that left it on your pillow. I thought that was a nice touch. And then this next one is a body oil, Marianella. And so that looks like it's nice. I wonder what it smells like. Oh, good. Sometimes these are so hard to get out of their packaging. Let's see what this is like. Oh my god, it smells amazing. That's so good. I will definitely be using this one. I sense a new favorite on my hands. And I think, let's see, this might be my, yep, this is the last one. This is 3 different packing cubes from CalPack. And I know I'm a huge fan of packing cubes, and I've been using them for years now, and I've used them in different ways. Sometimes I will put like an outfit in each one, so I know like what outfit's in that packing cube. These are larger than I expected them to be, actually. I mean, this is pretty big. What's neat about these is they're nice cheery colors, and it has this thing where you can really be super organized. You could label here, and then in the back of each cube is a zipper pouch, so you can put other stuff back there. And the other thing that I really like about Fabfitfun is they give you this little magazine that has stuff in it relating to how to use the products. And like, for instance, this one shows them putting a book in the back pouch, and that you can roll them. You could put shoes in one, or you could put clothes in it. And so I like that it gives you some ideas of how to use the products that you may not have thought of if you were just getting these in without any instruction or whatever you want to call it. But these are way bigger than I thought they were going to be, I chose these. You could pick this or an umbrella, and I actually, before we went to London, I had bought an umbrella because it was supposed to rain every single day. We got lucky and it didn't, so that was good. But in any case, I was good on umbrellas because I was preparing for that trip, and I had bought a couple, like a travel and a regular one. So even the small one has the pocket in the back, and they all have the thing where you can put the label. So it has 1, 2, 3, and then they all store within each other, and you can, use whichever one you need, or you can use all 3 of them. But I have a nice set of like pale pink ones that they're not as nice as these now that I see these, because they don't have the thing where you can put your label, and they don't have a back zipper. So these are really very nice, and they're great quality. They also have a handle up top. So whenever we can get back to our travels, which I hope is soon, because I have 2 trips planned in June. We are supposed to go away for our anniversary and do a golf little weekend trip, and we're also supposed to go to Oregon to the Pinot Noir wine country. So hopefully everybody be safe, and that'll be another video. But next I'm going to be doing my Pop Sugar and my Allure Beauty Box, so stay tuned for those. I'm going to try to do them all pretty quickly, so because I know they're already late. But anyway, everybody be well.